You need to hear this if you're a style seeker, a minimalist in the making, or just someone looking to reclaim your closet space. Let's embark on a closet transformation journey together. First things first, pull everything out. Yes, everything. Clothes, shoes, bags, and accessories. Seeing everything you own laid out will shock you into realization and make the sorting process a breeze. And hey, while you're at it, give those shelves a good wipe down. Next up, categorize and sort. Separate your clothes into groups like shirts, pants, and dresses. Store your bulky coats and sparkly occasion wear elsewhere. They don't need to crowd your everyday space. Think about using storage containers or vacuum bags for these out-of-season treasures to keep them safe and sound. Now the tough love part, donation time. Hold each item and ask yourself, does it fit? When did I last wear this? If it's been a year or more, or if it doesn't make you feel fabulous, it might be time to say goodbye. Remember, if it's damaged or worn out, it's definitely time to let go. In conclusion, maintaining your decluttered closet is key. After wearing something, put it right back where it belongs. Make it a habit to regularly evaluate what you own. And adopt the one in, one out rule. Every time a new piece comes in, let an old one go. This will help keep your wardrobe manageable and fresh. Thank you for spending these minutes with me and happy organizing. Go turn that closet chaos into a curated collection of favorites.